Welcome to solverfy.
(23.92). Why are the wingspans of birds considered when designing power line spacing? So we've seen in the chapter that along a power line, if we have a bird sitting on it, uh, the voltage along even a fairly long length of power line is roughly constant, and so the bird's not going to get hurt sitting on this because the voltage difference between its 2 feet is going to be, basically zero. However, between power lines, there's not necessarily any guarantees about them being at the same voltage at the same time. And in fact, in sometimes they're actually intended to be at different voltages at the same time. And so if a bird were to make contact with these two power lines and they're at a different voltage, then the bird would basically be cooked instantly, at least potentially. And in addition to obviously being bad for the birds, and you don't want to cause unnecessary harm to wildlife, this could possibly cause problems for the power grid as well. So this is why you need to be careful about how big birds are in terms of spacing power lines from each other.